Has anyone ever put eggs under their tomato plant and noticed a difference? I'm assuming egg shells.
That difference is in your head.
Yeah. Egg shells do compost extremely slowly. In the compost pile, if you just wad it up, throw in the compost, it takes years. Now, people will go down the road, well, I grind it up into a powder, and then I mix it in the soil. Fine, good, yes. Smaller particles do break up quicker and break down quicker to allow plants to utilize whatever available nutrients is in that particular item. However, eggshells have very little nutrients, mostly calcium. That's what they're made up of. And most soils in North America have plenty of calcium unless your soil has been tested to show a calcium deficiency. Adding more will not help the plant grow. We've talked about adding, people want to add Tums, calcium. You want to add eggshells, calcium. These are so minute, and the quantities of the individual item, eggshell or Tum, you have to multiply by multiple times in order to get even a reasonable amount of material in the soil for that plant to take up. When it doesn't need anything anyway, you just need to water. It's a watering issue, not a deficiency issue. And you got to go to reputable sources online to find this out where, this person has done scientific studies. This university has scientific studies to show that it doesn't have any beneficial benefit to it. Now, true enough, throwing the eggshell in the compost pile or throwing it in the garden is much more beneficial than throwing it in the trash and going to the landfill. Yes, but expecting something that doesn't scientifically exist doesn't help the advancement of the gardening community by continually repeating this wrong information.